Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So quick and honest review on this phone lanyard, which has the crossbody option and the wrist lanyard. It has a very cool mechanism where you just put this little black thing on your phone case and then you put your phone, and it is impossible for your phone to literally fall off from any of the two lanyards. I feel like this is great because I'm always dropping my phone or forgetting it, and I find that the wrist lanyard is great. Also for traveling, no one wants to lose their phone, and here I'm just swinging my phone so you can see how resistant this lanyard mechanism is. And I just love how it's black and sleek, and I just absolutely love this option. It feels very sturdy and solid, and I also love that it is adjustable and it's suitable for literally most people. I also love that you're able to just clip the wrist option and then put the crossbody or around the neck option on. Here you can see I unclipped it from the other black attachment and I just clipped it directly to my phone, and this is the longer version. You can wear this around your neck, or I like to wear a crossbody like it was a handbag, and I also really like this option. I feel like this is great for traveling. And I just love how I can walk around with my phone always with me and don't have to worry about it. So if you're traveling or you're always losing your phone or dropping your phone, these two lanyards are perfect, and I love that they come together. Also, the long strap comes with a little clip so you can have whatever you want, and I just absolutely love them.